Hello again, friends. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. We have one more to finish out this little kit here that I got last year at She Loves Color. Yes, that's right, last year. I'm behind. Alright. So, this is a class that Stephanie, the owner, the creator of Bella Boulevard, she no longer owns the company. Bella Boulevard is owned by Doodlebug. Long story. Not my story to tell. So, this we have left over, which I believe has happiness and an arrow left in it. Because we used smile. So this I will have to use at some other time. Yeah, okay. That is not going to comment. We do have 4 photos from our July crop. This was the make and take that Jamie's mom taught. And it's Jean teaching, but this is me and my friend Nancy. And that's Julie, also my friend. And that's Jean. I don't remember her name. I'm horrible with names though, so if you're watching this, don't take it personal. I almost forgot Julie's name, and I spent a weekend with her at Birch. I'm bad with names. I'm horrible with them. So we're going to use this as our background. And we have these items that are going to go over there. These are all going to be 3x3s, but a little bit smaller. So, some people, I'm sorry, you're getting cut off. But I got Chris and Jean in there, so those are the 2 peeps that I know. So we're doing 2 3/4. I'm bad 2 3/4. This lady right here is getting cut off as well. I apologize. I want to get Nance in there and Julie. I'm going to get that white edge off for sure. Okay. Uh-oh. Well, Nancy's getting cut out of this one. Sorry, Nancy! I'm sure she won't mind. Although, no, I can't make that work. And then a really horrible picture of me. I've lost weight since then. Actually, I'm happy to report that I've lost 10 pounds in a week from my surgery. That is just because of what was removed. Okay, we want to go there. I would have rather had the picture of Nancy. Yeah, I'm cutting my head off because I don't really care. Alright, and then these guys. Oh, okay, so let's just, we got those done. Boom. And I think it's going to go like this. And like this. And then we're going to take this. And we're going to tear. Whoa. Okay. And then this one's going to get torn just the same. Oh no. Well, that was unfortunate, but we saved it. Then this gets tucked in under there. This one's going to get tucked in under here. That is like leftover from something else. And then we have this. This is leftover from something else. And okay. So I'm going to go ahead and mat all of them on these. I'm going to hear this all down. I'm going to cut a strip out of this, and I'll be right back. Alright, we're going to do a few modifications because, well, that's who I am, right? We're going to take some yellow thread. And we're going to take, oh, that's teal. This is yellow. Oh, you guys, I may actually wind up using a roll of thread soon. That makes me happy. You don't have to buy more, but still, it makes me happy. Alright, I'm going to pop that down there. Then I just, you guys, I had such an incident with the glue, so we're not, me and the glue are currently not on speaking terms. So 1, 2, I always do 3 pulls. And then I'm putting pressure on that because I feel like it needs it. And then we'll do 3 pulls of this. Alright. We'll put our thread back up there. And then we're going to put this one. I did staple this guy. So just kind of do some messy. I got it stapled, tape, and now I'm adding a ton of glue because I refilled my glue bottle. I feel like that was the issue. And then this will look like it's stapled up here. Got this guy going on down here. And we are going to fill this in. Right there. Holding that down. The Nuvo glue doesn't catch like art glitter glue. Like art glitter glue, it holds right away. Which is what's in my fine liner bottles here, right? So like that, it starts to dry and hold almost instantaneously. And then let's just go ahead and put this up here. All right. Then we have this little thing right here. I want to add, pop that on some foam. And we have the couldn't be happier, and then we've got the little moments right here. I'm going to come in with the hearts. Got one that goes there. And at this point, honestly, just winging it. Live in the moment. And stick right there. Then we get happiness, which we're going to put on this one over here. Okay. And then we got this guy. Which is the details. And we gotta put some hearts up there. Okay. Not gonna lie when I tell you I don't like that placement at all. Alright. It's probably all gonna fall apart for some reason. I have a very bad feeling about that. And then flip-flops. Oh, apologies because it's summertime. Like, see? Nothing is sticking. Alright, and then we've got these Lollipops. And put a couple. Down and around, that's used. And then I pulled these guys out. But I actually don't think I want to use them. As funny as that sounds. I kind of like the layout just the way it ended up, except we need something up there and I don't have anything. But that's alright. Let's just go ahead and go for it. Let's add these guys. Since my glue is not sticking pretty much at all. Hope it kinda. This is just for my stash. At some point I'm hoping that even though there's a dip there, it's still gonna hold on to something. That's the hope. Okay. I think we're going to let it be with that. And that is going to do it for today's that, you guys. So I do have this washi tape right here. Now that it's designer washi tape from Bella Boulevard. I'm going to go ahead and boop, put that to the side to use some random place in my life. Don't use a lot of washi. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and helping me finish up older projects or kits. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Oh, you know what I did not put on here? Do I want to do this one? No. Let's go teal. Trying to use up these Heidi Swapp Color Shines. Fun fact though, I added water because they were all dried up, but there was so much paint left in it, the water reactivated it. And now I'm going to use it up. You know what else I found? The coveted Heidi Swapp Gold Color Shine. Yes, people, I did. in my stash. It is now properly right here. And it's about half star full there. But yeah, they were all dried. I just added some water and rubbing alcohol, and boom, back to life they are. Alright, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.